All right, now that we have the tent inflated, it's staked down, it's tied down properly in the event that winds are going to pick up, we can start worrying about the generator and the HVAC unit. In this particular configuration, we have two different cords that are coming off. This is a 50 amp cord, and the 50 amp cord is running over towards a distribution box. You can see the power cable runs in there. From that distribution box, you can run all of your ancillary equipment. So if you're running lights, if you're running some stuff for your decon equipment, if you're running a command center and you need your televisions and whatnot powered, that's where you're going to draw your power from. The second cord is a 30 amp cord right here, and this is running into a portable HVAC unit. On this HVAC unit, you also have this temperature control unit. This is your thermostat, and when we're ready, we're going to run this inside the tent, and it'll maintain the temperature wherever it's set. This is basically a Cat 6 cable, and it plugs in right on the side. On the back side of the HVAC unit, you'll see two vents. The top is your supply, and the bottom is the return. The tent is designed in the exact same manner. We have the plenum, which is the supply side, and it's going to be moved around these ducts and then attached to the supply, and then the bottom is your return. The return is going to come from here and go right into the bottom of the HVAC. All right, a couple of notes about the HVAC unit. In this particular unit, there are two different sized ducts. This supply unit is only 12 inches around, and the bottom return is 14. The two different ducts are two different sizes. So you want to make sure that you use the appropriate size duct on the appropriate duct here, all right? So we're going to go ahead and attach the plenum to the ducts. And a word of note here, you do want to make sure that the lines are as straight as possible. You want to make sure that there's no back pressure being placed onto the HVAC unit as well. It might cause it to freeze up in warm temperatures, and it'll also allow a lot of good airflow into the plenum itself.